Hello everyone, welcome to the Bug Expert channel. In this video, we will provide information on how to fix Yahoo Mail temporary error 15. This error encountered, along with the browser cache issue, does not allow users to use Omegle. In addition, the browser is out of date or working in a problematic way can also cause you to encounter various errors like this. For this, we will try to solve the problem by telling you a few suggestions. The files in the temporary cache of the Omegle application may be problematic or incorrectly installed. To solve this problem, we can eliminate the problem by clearing the browser cache. First, reach the Omegle page. Right-click on the page we reach and tap on Inspect. Click on the Application option in the panel that opens. Then click on the Storage option on the left. After this process, scroll down the panel on the right and click on the Clear Site Data button. After performing the operation, you can check if the problem persists by refreshing the page. I suggest you disable all active add-ons in your browser. This is because some plugins may prevent the algorithm from working. For this, disable all active add-ons from your browser and check if the problem persists by refreshing the page. If none of these processes is a solution for you, you can finally check whether the Omegle site is working from a different browser. We can eliminate the problem by performing a VPN connection so that we can benefit from other servers. For this, you can reach the link below and install the VPN application to perform the connection process. Download and install the VPN application by reaching the appropriate link in the article. Then refresh the page by performing the connection to any country and check. If the default browser you are using is not up to date, you will encounter many errors. For this reason, you need to check whether the browser you are using is up to date. Access the browser's settings menu and access the About menu. After this process, you will see if the browser is up to date. If a new update is available, perform the update manually and check. Yes, in this video we have provided information on how to fix Yahoo Mail temporary error 15. If the problem persists, you can comment.